Hey, it's Tom Gallaher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2027 Grand Design Reflection 29RL. This is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. So let's get started on this walk around. Pass-through storage. We got the docking station on the other side. Nice large slide on the campsite. Good looking wheel and tire setup. You can see I've got the awning lights on. I just wanted to flip those on because I could. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Wentzville. And let's get inside. There's the 29RL badging as we step up inside. So we have our power bank right here for your slides, your lighting, your pumps. Dining area, storage underneath the bench. And then this is a desk and dinette, as it clearly states. Theater seating with a center armrest right across from the fireplace, as well as a flat screen TV. We have a nice fold-out sleeping couch. Pantry, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, smaller oven, smaller refrigerator. Nice center island with a bank of 3 drawers and a couple of cabinets. I've mentioned it before, but I do like the fact that Grand Design labels everything now. Really makes it nice. Nice medicine cabinet. And then we have an open cabinet on the other side above the commode. Nice shower and stall. Drift into the bedroom. Check out the underbed storage. We also have an HVAC. It's pre-wired for a TV. And let's see if I can show you this without showing you me in the mirror. So it's pre-wired and pre-plumbed for a washer and dryer, as well as a bank of 2 drawers and a cubby down there. And we'll slide through here, head back down into the gathering room. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper. It's a 2027 29RL. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate the support.